Yo, OutDaNawf, back at it with the vlogging. Coming straight from OutDaNawf garage. Right now, what is this? I don't know, but we about to go take a look on the cat eye. Remember last time we had it tinted and we dropped it off at Jen's crib? Well, he got something for it. Remember that roof rack, so it's gonna have to wait. We did something else to it. And we gotta do something right now too. We gotta work on it. We gotta fix his tie rods cause he got new wheels. Oh, he got new wheels. Tie rods, he needs new ones because they're too long. We gotta cut them and then get it aligned, but that's gonna be for another day. Right now, we're just gonna do the tie rods our own and show y'all the new look and everything else that I got here. So let's just wait. Right now, I gotta load up the jack and the jack stands because, well, he has jack stands and he has a jack, pero este va a venir un vato to pick up his stocks. He wanted to try them on, like right there that we're already there. So let me load up the truck real quick. Got the jack on. I put the stands over here. I got the little the little fork. Take the tie rods out. Y un martillo. Cause you gotta bang the out of them hoes. So let me move the trucks. Pull it to Jen's crib. Bro, I called him for like a straight hour. It's already 8. I was supposed to be at his crib by 7. At first I thought he was still sleeping. And then I was like, nah, seguro ya empezó sin mí. And he didn't answer, and I was like, and I keep calling. Turns out, I'm sleeping. Che huevón. No, I'm just playing. But ya llegamos otra vez. Ooh, that looks. Whew. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Let me turn it around. Hold on. Oh shit. Oh, new look. Yeah, he has to put it at an angle because his driveway is like weird. Got some snacks. I didn't even eat breakfast and I'm hungry. But I skip breakfast. I always skip breakfast. Look at it. Big 24s. It looks big on his, but on mine they look small. Yeah. Still got part of the sticker. He didn't even take it off. And I see my whole reflection on it. Hola, ¿cómo está? Bien. Got the jack down. Bro, I need a cameraman. Nigga go sleep. Bro, he just went to sleep right now. He was up? He was up all night. It's como siempre. So there's Marjorie. Oh yeah. Hey, you're about to lift the cat eye up. Gotta find that lifting point, pa. Oh, your G-spot. Yeah. Just put it like on this frame.
I was gonna put it right here, yeah.
Yeah, fuck it.
Ooh, I just fucked up my wheel.
No, you just scratched it with the gun? No, well, we can't have nice things.
Mira.
Look, that's funny. That was from the gun right now?
Yeah.
Never tell her. Pump it.
Pass me the camera.
Oh yeah, I got one lifting point done. Jack stands. Now we gotta get the other side. Look, it's already on the air. Dude, lift up my cat eye. Bro, it's hot. And it's not even 12 yet.
A few moments later.
Second lifting point done. Drop it. Yeah. Alright, 3 hours later, we finally got. 3 hours later, we finally got it on jack stands. It's because it took a minute. Alright, bro, I'm gonna just let you do your thing, and then I'll talk.
Oh, yeah. Grease gun, huh?
What's up?
You know a grease gun?
Nah. Oh, yeah, I do. It's at the crib, though.
Like a grease gun, like the
Yeah.
where you can,
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
not right now, pero es que these so when you can grease them.
Okay.
Tienen, mira,
Yeah, you do have to grease them.
like tienen el grease point.
So you got the good ones? Look.
Shit, I don't know.
Nah, I had the same ones.
Look at this one.
I think. Oh, you got inner ones too.
I got both. The ones that I need to change more were inner, but
Damn. Them inner
do
ones.
we need to turn the steering or are you starting?
No, it turns by itself.
Oh, okay.
Damn, you gotta change the inner ones.
That's what I told you.
I don't know how we're gonna do that. Yeah. Let me go get the tool. Look, you wanna see it? It's pretty it's kind of big. The tool I got.
The tool?
Yeah. Parece es un tenedor.
Let me touch it.
Touch it. Yeah. And I got a hammer too. So cause we gotta bring the.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. They be stuck on there.
Well, teach me, dude. I don't know how.
All right. First we gonna have to. Look, you wanna hold the camera?
Oh, you mean like right here or what?
Yeah, but
Get it out?
look, hold the camera for me, dude. Hold my camera.
Be a cameraman, dude.
Watch me do this.
Watch him be a pro. Damn, this is why I fell in love with him.
Yeah, he did. He also fell in love with this. Look, cause le tengo que dar un martillazo como se los voy a ver.
Damn.
I'll be like,
Damn, look at this shit. This shit just make it hard. Yeah, wait, cause low-key, those look good.
oh, dumbass.
This.
I forgot about this shit.
Damn, you're the I can't get warranty.
Nah, you good. Where's your
Oh, what?
your gun with a I think it's a 17 or 6. No, it looks like a 15 or 4.
A ver. Find me, bitch.
Alright, we got the socket.
Dude, it broke. No, I'm just kidding. Damn, easy money.
Easy money, man.
Damn.
Should we switch? Take it out already?
Alright, guys, video's done. Like it. No, I'm just kidding.
Nah, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Turn on post notifications.
Damn. I mean, we could try to take out the. Look, it looks like it nomás es un clip ahí, güey. But here, let me go get clamps for you.
Alright, fit. Come on, Archie. You gotta get inside, boy. Vas a agarrar color acá. You got it?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh no. No. Yo, you gotta untwist this one right here. So you gotta get a like yeah. So you gotta turn it while holding the tie rod. Yeah.
I got you. Damn, this is what going to gym every day looks like.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. So whenever you're taking your tie rods out, you gotta count how many turns. So 1, 2, 3, 10 and a half. So
10 and a half?
10 and a half. So
Alright, bet. Alright, yeah.
so that's how many turns is gonna go in the new one.
You heard the master mechanic.
Yeah. Well,
¿Y luego para quitarle adentro, güey?
para el adentro, I've never done those.
Alright. I try to.
Bro, I still can't get them hoes off, bro. F tie rods. I'm gonna go to my crib real quick. I got some tools. I got a bigger wrench, and then I'm gonna get un tubo to get more leverage on it, cause it ain't coming out. Oh shoot, look. I think there's a guy that Jen's selling the wheels to. It's a cat out right here. Yeah. Man, this is all I got right here. But we'll make it work. What do we got here? Look, told y'all. Man, this shit's a bitch. I haven't even ate. It's already 10. We gotta go to work. Así la vamos a dejar. No, hombre. Puras fallas. Look, we got.
Hell, I can't even put the wheel on, huh?
Fuck.
Come like that.
Look, we took the outer, we left the inner, we took the little rubber sealing nail on the other side. Así se va a quedar, cause no, hombre. We were banging it y no quiere salir. So we still got that shit left. Man, fuck tie rods. Oh yeah. La mamalona getting his protection from the sun. Nah, I'm just playing. Put all the tools away. Así lo vamos a dejar hasta mañana. Le dije a este vato que al rato, pero he got soccer and it's gonna be nice. We ain't gonna be able to see. Yeah. I wanted to show y'all the new things, but I'm gonna just show you on the next vlog, cause got to go. So I'll pick it up on the next vlog. OutDaNawf out. Psych. Y'all thought I was gonna finish it right there? Nah, the vlog ain't done until the truck is done. Truck is ready. Now we finna go get it to the alignment shop. Jan gonna pick me up. Actually, no, I think I'm finna pedal my way to his crib again. Cause we gotta put on the seats. He only has one seat. He needs a passenger. And the roof rack could wait. We'll put that on another day. That hueva. So let me get la perrona out. This all burn. So I got like 100 horsepower. My legs got 100 horsepower. What the fuck? Not the bike. Oh yeah. You already know I had to whip that thing out again, cool. Hey, let me know what should I do to the bike. Yeah, I think I should drop it and put 24s on it too. Or I think I'm gonna just put a Hemi on it. But I'm gonna put on my way over there. My brother wants to come. He's gonna be cameraman. Shit, I'm finna fall. Told y'all I had 100 horsepower in me. Bro, my legs are burning. All right, yeah. So ready to go. What you doing, mama? Oh, you're twerking them? Yeah. Hey, you don't want me falling out?
Damn, my dad fucked up the key.
The lock key?
Yeah.
How? He dented it? Or?
I used the wrong one, look.
Oh, from there.
Oh, I have to buy another key.
You haven't put the seat on, huh? You haven't put the seat on yet? Here it is. Oh, it's locked. My boy got to vacuum his truck out. Dice que está mugrosa. Oh, yeah, it is. Where's your dog at? Archie! 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 Ven para acá. Come on, let's go. Vámonos. Let's go. Come on. Fuga. Come on. Go inside. Che perrillo. Kinda cute. Damn. What the fuck? Why he look like that on camera? Bro, that thing on his eye, he does not. It's not that dark in person. All right, let me put the seat back on. Oh yeah, we got the seat up. We're gonna be ready to roll. Me está dando permiso so I can take the Paloma, because it needs an alignment too. So I'm gonna be whipping that. And then my brother, he's gonna be taking rollers of La Cara on the way there. Yo, just got on the big whip. Look how lifted I am next to this guy. So he's gonna get out first because it's the way. There's a lot of cars right here in the street. Yo, back the rig out. alignment shop. About to get these hoes aligned. Let me see, I'm pulling. It's a real tight spot. It's a 1 lane. Hey, that was the one that was taking the rollers.
Hey, he's gonna be like, I did this 2 ways otra vez.
I know, right? Otra vez. He's like, after 7 months.
No, it was less.
No, it was in November. 7 months. Alright, look, let me get out.
I don't know.
Pulled
I
up.
saw you like.
Here, be camera.
Hey, let me just record on 0.5.
0.5. No,
It extensive more.
no.
Regular?
Yeah, regular. So we better go inside, check out how much time it's gonna take for both trucks.
Púrale, tu troquita. 24s. Sheesh. You better go in. A ver qué pedo.
You should get that smart car. Miran el... ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo le dicen eso? Los bochis? Los bochis?
They call them beaters.
Like the Beatles. Shit. Alright, so, ¿qué pasó? They finna go line it? We finna chill?
Yeah, we're gonna chill. A ver si you hungry. Pupusería, tío. Mira cómo puse.
Nah, but we finna
We'll
go
see. We don't know how long it is gonna be. The line's pretty long, so. A ver cuánto tarde.
We finna chill, Nah, just play chill.
When I was drinking Gatorade yesterday.
You were drinking
I
Gatorade
did
yesterday?
too.
Hey, if I fall backwards, it's because of your fault.
So you want me to drink horchata, all that sugar?
Simon.
You know I just drink water. Hey, watch where you going, cuz. Look, it's only a 1 lane. You're gonna run your ass over.
It's only a 1 lane.
Okay, you don't gotta, like, you can go like this.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Side.
Now I want to see our pretty faces.
Alright, look, we finna go gas station.
This ghetto ass little gas station.
Yeah, bro, we need some snacks. I haven't ate lunch for nothing. Or breakfast. Well, I always skip breakfast. I do fasting.
I always skip breakfast.
Breakfast and every day at work, he's like, damn, I gotta kick 2 eggs, no sé qué más, no sé qué más.
5 eggs.
5-star meal.
Bitch, fuck you, bitch ass.
So it's 5 eggs con spinach, pollo, and then 5 quesadillas. Y a veces me como una manzana after just to like fill me up, you know, finish it up. Finish breakfast. But I skip breakfast.
I always skip breakfast. Every time I eat is at las 2, 3 de la tarde. I gotta change my shit.
So,
Ghetto ass station.
bro, the airline ghetto as just picked up a little snack. Oh, cool. What y'all got? Let me see. Arizona?
This over.
You already know I just had cacahuate. I ain't trying to do all that sugar. Man, hopefully they already started working on the trucks, man. I want to go home so I can get my meal in. The one I was just telling y'all about. Them eggs, the quesadillas, chicken.
That's what I'm saying.
I kind of with this one, but
I don't fuck with none of them.
you like Arizona?
Nah. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, I never had it.
Yes.
We gonna make our way back.
Try that one.
Try it.
It's alright.
The watermelon's good as fuck. That watermelon.
No, mango is my favorite.
That bitch got hella flavor.
Try this one. It's
Bro,
orange.
it's flavor. It doesn't even taste like lemonade.
I know. I know it tastes good. I like it.
Now try the Minute lemonade. Them bitches.
Minute Maid? Like,
The Minute.
oh, the brand Minute Maid, yeah. Ah, nah, them
Dumb
them,
hoes,
they got hella flavor.
Yeah, that's because that's the original lemonade.
Hey, look.
Mariscos.
Chill. Vamos a agarrar un ceviche real quick. Se parece como la que tenía mi pa allá en México.
Igualita.
Alright, let's go back to the shop. Man, they haven't even touched the trucks. Siguen igualitas donde las dejamos.
Well, except for this one, they moved it.
Oh yeah, they moved it. They get it out the way so they can get all the other cars out the way. Man, why can't they just put ours in there?
Those are both my keys.
Oh yeah, creo que ahorita las voy a meter. Yeah. Man, they finally got this truck out, bro. 3 hours later. I'm already late for work. Jan late for work. Hey, yeah. Come at Johnny's Tire Shop for them cheap alignments. Johnny's Tire Shop. And I had to text my boy Johnny from Walmart, the manager. I told him that I'm gonna come in late. Cause Johnny's at Johnny's Tire Shop. But Johnny needs Johnny to go to work. Jan's already paying right now. So hopefully que le apure. Gotta go.
Oh, Keith just texted me.
What'd he say?
Hey, Jan, this is Keith. Do you guys have an ETA time when you get here?
What time
Should
is
I
it?
say we're like 1:20?
What time is it right now? 12:30?
12:28.
12:28, like 1:30.
I don't know how you do it.
Man, bro. El vato, ya cuando acabó la troca, la tuvo que tomar allá adentro otra vez. He forgot to put grease in the suspension. I'm hungry. This, bro. So we on the rush back home. Man, I don't even feel like talking. That shit pissed me off, man.
Fucking still
Oh yeah, we on the way back. Don't scare me. Motherfucker said my truck was gone, but nah. Ain't nobody stealing that baby, cuz. Alright, yeah, we finna go to work. I'm gonna eat first. So yeah, we're gonna close the vlog out right here.
Alright, guys, successful alignment.
Yeah. Successfully.
Over fucking 4 hours.
4 fucking hours over time.
Bro, 4 hours, bro. I could've worked and I could've had a meal in, bro. So yeah, closing out. ODN out.
Peace.